What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my FabFitFun for the summer of 2019. I know I'm a little late because it's August, but I wanted to show you what you get on your FabFitFun box if you sign up late like I did. I actually signed up around July 14th and today is August 3rd and I just got my box. And I'm going to show you in here what you will get because I was not able to customize or to add on to do the add-ons. So in here I basically got what was left over, and I want to show you what you get when you sign up late and you only get the leftovers. So let's begin. There we go. Here's everything very nicely wrapped. Go away. Alright, so I was able to customize and pick what I wanted, but obviously I wasn't able to get the best things. So I was able to get this necklace. I'm actually only using one hand, so I'm gonna have to open this with my mouth. Hold on. So I was able to pick this cute little necklace. So this is the star one. It's actually a long necklace. Oopsie. Let me actually take it out of this packaging to show you what it looks like. It's actually a lot shorter than I expected, but it's super cute. So you can see it's not like super long, but it's still very cute and delicate. The next thing in here is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I'm actually excited to try this. I'm always open to trying new face masks, so I'm glad I got this one. Yeah. Here I have an exfoliating foot mask from Wish. Is that how you say it? Well, it has coconut milk and verbena. It's paraben-free, sulfate, phthalate, DNT-free, petrochemical, I hope I said that right, free, cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. Very nice. Actually, I'm glad I got this. My feet need a little bit of love, so I will definitely put this to use. It's a very nice size also. Here we have a Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Very nice and big, but honestly I don't think I will ever use this. I'm not a fan of rose water or anything like that, and this is maybe I'll use it like under my makeup to hydrate like in the winter months. Here I have this pack of Invisibubble. I'm actually excited to get this pack of 6 Invisibubbles because I use this a lot. I love to use this when my hair is straight because regular hair ties actually make a little mark indentation or whatever in my hair, and I hate it, but these don't, and these won't tangle my hair or get stuck, and I love them. Next thing is these Coola makeup setting spray with SPF 30, which I'm actually excited to try. I love SPF, and if it's in a spray, it's even easier. I just hope it doesn't have like a strong scent. Next in here, this is the mystery choice, which I had no idea I was getting this, and this is a Dr. Brand Pore Purifying Cleanser. Oh, this is nice. Dr. Brand is a really nice brand. Okay, that sounded kind of weird, but you know what I mean. I'm actually excited to try this. Then I got the kimono, which I'm gonna try to open this and show you. But this is like super big. I'm actually excited because I will actually use this as a bathrobe or like just a robe to walk around my house, and I currently have one, but you never have too many, so I'm excited for this. So you can more or less see this, but this is actually really cute. It has the straps in here, so you can tie it up and use it closed, or you can use it open like a cardigan, or like a nice cover up for the beach. This is really cute, and it's very soft too. Oh my god, it has pockets. What? All right, that made it even better now. Really cute. You know, I just realized this is wet, so this leaked everywhere. Hopefully, well, it doesn't seem like it ruined anything because of the plastic, but yeah, the box is completely wet, so this leaked. I hope the bottle isn't broken. And the last thing, I actually picked this because I was really excited to get one of these. This is a felt message board from Exoziana, and I always wanted one of these, and I never really justified like spending money on it, but I'm actually glad that I was able to pick this. I will show you now. So this is what it comes with. It comes with like a cute little pouch so that you can store all the letters, and it comes with like all of these, and it even has emojis in it. That is so cute. Does it come with numbers? Actually, yes, it does come with numbers. I'm blind. This is cute, and here is the board. This is actually a very nice size for messages and cute things. So yeah, this is everything I got in my box. As you can see, it wasn't super bad, but I wish I had more options to choose for the customizations, but I'm actually not mad about it. This is nice. These are really nice. I actually like all of the products that I got besides that rose spray, but I'm pretty happy. Thank you so much for staying up to the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos. I like to post unboxings and some makeup tutorials, and if you want to sign up for FabFitFun, I'm going to leave you my referral link in the description down below, and you can get $10 off your first box. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.